Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best air pistols in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. Our list at number 1. Glock 19 GEN 3.177 caliber BB gun air pistol. The Glock 19 is ideal for a more versatile role because of its reduced dimensions when compared to the standard-sized option. The CO2 airgun replica of the Glock 19 in .177 caliber is compact and handy, with the unmistakable look of the original pistol and plenty of power. In spite of its relatively small length of 7.25 inches, it fires .177 caliber steel BBs with a muzzle velocity of up to 410 FPS and weighs a satisfying 25.6 ounces. 410 FPS. Integrated push-button safety in the trigger. Powered by 112-gram CO2 capsule housed in the grip, CO2 not included. CO2 Allen key housed in the backstrap. Fires .177 cal. Steel BBs. Fixed traditional Glock U-shaped rear sight and white dot front sight. 15-round drop-free magazine. Integrated weaver rail. Our list at number 2. Crosman American Classic Multi-Pump Pneumatic Pellet Air Pistol. The .22 caliber Pneumatic American Classic has a sleek modern design and is the ultimate in backyard pellet target air pistols. Featuring a single-shot bolt action for easier cocking and loading and a rifled steel barrel for accuracy. Get variable pump power with the Easy Pump forearm and control the velocity up to 460 FPS for your style of target shooting. Comes with a fully adjustable rear sight and fixed blade front sight. Take it outside with Crosman. Pellet velocity. Up to 460 FPS. Action. Bolt action. Caliber. .22 caliber pellets only, 1 pellet capacity. Power source. Multi-pump. Mechanism. Single-shot bolt action. Barrel material. Steel. Our list at number 3. Crosman .177 caliber pellet 4.5 mm BB CO2 powered snub nose revolver. The Crosman SNR 357 has the heft and feel of a Saturday night special with none of the powder. This sleek black, full metal-bodied, double-action, semi-automatic snub-nose revolver is powered by a 12-gram CO2 cartridge and has dual ammo capabilities which fire BBs up to 400 FPS and .177 caliber pellets up to 500 FPS. This revolver features a realistic 6-shot swing-out cartridge cylinder, removable ergonomic grip panel for easy CO2 replacement, fixed blade front sight and adjustable rear sight, silver trigger with hammer and cylinder release switch and slide safety. With 6 BB and 6 pellet cartridges included, this pistol becomes the ultimate backyard target pistol. Take it outside with Crosman. Our list at number 4. Umarex Trevox Break Barrel .177 caliber pellet gun air pistol. Nothing beats the speed and simplicity of the Umarex Trevox airgun. This break barrel pellet firing air pistol is powered by the Umarex TNT power system and has an integral silence air noise dampening system. This combination makes this the perfect air pistol for close-range varmint control. The Trevox is larger than most pellet pistols but can still be fired one-handed. The adjustable sights and exceptional velocity make the Trevox a dependably accurate air gun, capable of accurate hits on small targets. One of the most comfortable break barrel handguns ever made. You'll want to be sure and have one on hand for barn rats, garden protection, or just some fun target shooting and plinking. All product links include in this video description. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.